When you click on this default location option, it does nothing on Windows 11. Even if you enable the location and let apps access your location, the button does not work. So today, I'll guide you on how to fix it. Alright, so the idea is when you click on this button, it should open a map where you can choose your new location. But the reason the button does nothing is that you don't have the Maps app installed. So what we need to do to make it work is to download the Maps app. Go to the Windows Store and search for Maps. Now you will find plenty of apps, but you want to make sure that you download the Windows Maps app by Microsoft. Let's click on this Get button. It should take a few minutes. Once it's installed, you will see this Open button. We won't click on that because we want to check the default location option. Close the store window and click on the default location button. A pop-up will display showing the Updating Maps progress bar. Once it finishes, the app will open up. Here, we'll click on this notification button. Now you can change the default location by searching on this app. Let me change mine to Adelaide, South Australia. You can see that my default location has changed. You can click on this button again to change your location. So this is how you fix it. Thanks for watching the video. Please click on the like button if the video helped. I'll catch you later. Until then, take care.